Welcome back to the next part. What I'm trying to do now is just weld all the way along the seams where they're just tacked in place, continuous weld, and then I can start shaping with a grinder. I'll be using this sort of filler rod as filler because this needs a nice fillet along here, so I'll try and build that up with weld. And then by the time I've sanded it down, it should be nearer the shape. Also, as I weld it, it becomes annealed, so it's much easier to work with. So I can add a bit more shape. And see, this is expanded a bit here. It's much easier to work with once it's annealed, much softer. So this is after a bit of filler rod and tapping it to the right kind of shape. Just doing a temporary size up at the back. Still got to do the rear valance, and a spoiler will be next. Just trying to trim up some of the bodywork to make it smoother. Certain areas of the roof are a bit low, so I've just been tapping them. That is about it for today.